Okay, we're going to look at the mobile communications van, and what are you operating out of the van, out of the trailer?
Operating 20 phones.
2020. Okay,
There's our compute generator,
that's the generator there.
supplying everything.
And here we are. This is the interior. It's nice, air conditioned.
We're slowly getting it up to speed here. We just installed a rack. Future expansion.
What material is the floor? Did you install the floor?
Yeah. It's,
What is it?
It's vinyl.
Is vinyl?
Yeah, it's a donation from a local flooring company.
Okay.
They donated the material and I installed it.
This is your digital TV.
Yeah.
I got one of those. Very nice. Very nice. What are your plans for the walls? You know, put all the QSO cards?
No. Eventually, all the walls are going to be covered with like stick-on carpet tile,
Oh,
both for insulation and sound deadening.
very nice. Very nice. Okay, I want to move on to the next station. Thank you. Okay, now moving on to the. Hi, Tom. What are you operating on?
Hold on just a moment. I'm operating digital PSK 31.
PSK
20
31.
meters. And right now I'm working a station in Mexico.
Oh, good, good. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to that.
I think I'm working, and we'll see if he gets back.
Now we're moving on to Brian. Actually, I'm using my helmet cam. So, what station are you? What frequencies are you working there?
Currently trying to work 6 meters, but it's dead, as always. I have one of the satellites up that I just haven't changed the channel on, and I've got a local repeater up, just so I can listen in case somebody calls and we don't hear them. But I'm running 6 meters and satellites as they come into range.
Okay. I'm gonna let you get back to that. Thank you.
Think about it.
I asked if he was going to replace that radio, what we buy, and he told me
And-
yes, 2000,
Yes, 2000.
about $700 or
No.
so. More.
Used.
Yeah, you.
Used their 6.
Hey, Margaret, tell us about the station that you are operating on. Yeah, what
We're on 21.
15-meter band.
No, but we were on 21.225, 0.55, but now just to the 5.6. We were like totally off on an odd frequency, and we were still picking them up.
Okay.
We got to Texas, that's about it though. Even
Okay.
after they rotated the antenna.
Well, this was the second day of the event. The first day of the event was very similar, and thank you for watching.